Hi guys, it's Synolve. How are you guys doing? Well, I sure hope you are doing well. I have this message for the chosen. And so I have been really praying and really in meditation for the chosen ones and also for myself and this amazing time of year. And so one of the things I wanted to share with you that Spirit shared with me was I don't want you to get caught up. Spirit doesn't want you to get so caught up in all of the bad things that seem to be happening to you. As a chosen one, you're going to go through strife, you're going to go through trouble, you're going to go through so many different things. And it can be so difficult not to get caught up and sucked into. Yes, when people do stuff wrong to you, they're gonna, exactly what the Bible says. They're gonna reap what they sow. Yes, karmics are gonna receive karma because it is a cycle of life. It is what it is. But you, dear sweet one, chosen one, you have got to keep your energy up. You've got to keep your heart pure. You've got to know that you are loved and that you have a purpose and that you are chosen. If you get so caught up and so soaked up into the world and what's going on and what someone is doing to you and how they're doing it to you and how you're relating to the world in terms of when there is strife or anger or poverty or situations at work or at home, within your family, when you're facing rejection or you're facing loneliness or being sort of left out of things. This is a part of the world system. And so it's so important for you not to let your ego get caught up. Don't let your ego get caught up into that. Know that on the other side of what anyone tries to do to you, tries to do against you, says against you, that you are chosen and you have a purpose on your life. You have a greatness within you. And so this is a time to go deeply into spirit and not allow yourself to be pulled apart and sucked into what anything else or anyone else is doing. Stay focused. Where your focus goes is where your attention goes. And if you're constantly focused on the distractions of this world, what someone is doing to you, what someone has said about you, what someone is trying to do against you, whether it's family or friends or coworkers or bosses or whatever it may be, if you're so caught up into that, then you don't have the energy or the time to fulfill your purpose. This is a season, this is a time of purpose. This is why you're called. This is why you're chosen to fulfill your purpose. And so if people or the enemy can get you off balance and get you into serving distractions, right? Worried about distractions, constantly pulled in different directions with your emotions, with fighting this battle, putting this fire out, right? Eventually your own light is what suffers. It's your own light that tends to go out. And so, and of course, you can always rekindle that flame within you. But this is the time to know that you are chosen. This is the time to know that you have a purpose. This is the time to know that no weapon formed against you shall ever prosper. And so what I want you to begin to do is to focus on the light, to focus on the light and the energy, the God zone, the infinite field that is within you, right? To focus on the magic that is within you, to focus on the chosen abilities that have been placed within you. Focus on your purpose and don't let the distractions take you away from your purpose. Don't let the distractions move you into a direction that you don't want to go in, into fighting against something. Know that the battle is not yours. Know that there are angels and heavenly hosts and the universe, the Most High. Know that there are spirits around you, good spirits, seen and unseen, right? Here on earth and throughout the universe that are warring and battling on your behalf. And so if you're always, right, if you're always pulled into that, then you can't see your own magic. You can't see your own forest for the trees. You can't see your own path. You can't hear your intuition. You can't hear spirit telling you the next direction that you are to go in. You can't even hear spirit tell you how to fight. or how to war, how to prepare yourself for this season, or to what to do, the strategies of how to deal with the enemy. So, right, or anyone that comes up against you, or anyone who has meant you harm. And so what I want you to do is to really, really, really focus on you. To really focus on you and your call and why you are here. And to not let any distraction, anyone, anything above or below distract you from your purpose. And so you do that by centering, by drawing your energy and calling your energy back to you. You do this by meditating, by prayer, as you right before you go to bed at night, saying a prayer, lifting up a prayer, while you're sitting right at your desk or sitting in your home watching TV, whatever it may be, wherever you are, you can take a moment to breathe. You can take a moment to release, and you can take a moment to allow positive energy and light and high vibrations to pour into your spirit. Moments where you can take a moment to breathe and feel your breath and allow spirit to heal you, every part of you, past, present, future, all of it. And allow yourself to be healed. Allow yourself to get the energy that you need. Allow yourself to pull down, right? So above, so below, to pull down from the heavenly realm, from the Most High, from the infinite field, to pull in these energies that you need to survive, and to not only survive, but to thrive and to prosper and to move forward into your wealthy, your prosperous, your healthy, your loving self. All right, this is Synolve again. I just wanted to drop in and share that message with you, because this is definitely a message that Spirit has been sharing with me. I love you guys so, so much. This is Synolve signing off. I'm wishing you love and peace and joy, dear blessed chosen ones. And I'm going to see you in another video real soon. Peace and love, y'all.